Hey guys, Cody with the New England Dukes here, and today we're unboxing the Starsky Hutch 1976 Ford Gran Torino Red Chrome Limited Edition. Let's see how this one comes out. Alright, well I sped forward a little bit. Looking pretty chrome in here. Wow. Check this puppy out. Oh, the antenna's right there. Red chrome looks incredible. The antenna goes right in there. We just get a quick sneak peek once it's all set up. And does it look perfect next to the rest of the Hazzard County crew? Fun fact is, this Gran Torino was used on the pilot episode of the Dukes of Hazzard with old crazy Cooter driving them. Old crazy Cooter talking, turkey coming right down my alley. Alright guys, this is Cody with the New England Dukes, over and out.